Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, we'll learn one more time newspaper article, online newspaper article I have taken from focusonline.de. If you are interested, you can Google and find out some more German news online and improve your vocabulary. So let's begin. Die Corona-Pandemie hat die Wirtschaft im vergangenen Jahr zwar vielerorts in die Knie gezwungen, dem Klima hat das aber praktisch nicht geholfen. The corona pandemic has forced the economy in the last couple of years in many places. Vielerorts means in many places. In die Knie zwungen means in many places economy has been forced down, has been forced to come down, has been forced to compress due to corona pandemic. Okay, in vergangenen Jahr means in the previous year. Wirtschaft means economy. So this is a phrase in die Knie zwingen means to compress, to force something. Dem Klima hat das aber praktisch nicht geholfen. But it has not helped the Klima, it has not helped the climate practically. Because due to corona, at many places, weather and the climate was better, became better, but it did not help here in this case. Okay, in many places, it compressed the economy, but it has not helped climate. Okay. Laut Bericht der Weltwetterorganisation WMO war 2020 eines der wärmsten je registrierten Jahre weltweit. Laut means according. According to the report of World Weather Organization, okay, World Weather Organization was 2020 one of the warmest as per registered year worldwide. So 2020 was declared one of the warmest weather, okay, one of the warmest season or year according to the report Laut Bericht means report of the World Weather Organization. It's a genitive case, die Organisation converted to der, so it's a genitive report of the, okay, this organization. Wissenschaftler sind alarmiert. Scientists are alarmed. Scientists are shocked, are alarmed. They are, okay, alert und fordern mehr Ehrgeizig in der Klimapolitik. Okay, they are very shocked at what's happening in the climate, what happened to climate after pandemic. So they have encouraged, they are encouraging people, okay, to contribute something. They required, okay, they ask more Ehrgeizig in the Klimapolitik. Ehrgeizig means when you do something, okay, wholeheartedly. So with the world political leader, they want that they should be more ambitious, aspiring, okay, ambitiously they do something in the world, okay, politics related to the climate. They should sit together and talk about climate in the world politics. So scientists are demanding this for them. They are demanding, they are asking, okay, that in the world politics it should be talked about. They should be more ambitious. They should look after towards the climate, Ehrgeiz. This means ambitious. The politicians and the leaders should be ambitious towards the climate because it's very, very burning issue nowadays. Auch wenn sich der Austausch der Treibhausgase kurzfristig verlangsamte, stieg die Konzentration in der Atmosphäre weiter. Also, if the emission of greenhouse gases, greenhouse gas. Also, if the emission of greenhouse gases verlangsamte means slow down, okay, kurzfristig for short duration. During the pandemic time, the greenhouse gas emission became slower for in a short run, in a short while, for short duration, kurzfristig. Stieg die Konzentration in der Atmosphäre weiter. Okay, increase the concentration in the atmosphere further. Means altogether they want to say during the pandemic time when greenhouse gases were also less, despite of that the climate and the temperature, okay, of this planet earth was not slower down that much that it should have been. We wie die Weltwetterorganisation am Montag in ihrem Abschlussbericht über das globale Klima 2020 schreibt. Okay, as the World Weather Organization has written on Monday in their final report about the global climate 2020. Okay, Abschlussbericht means final report about the global climate. Okay, they have written on Monday. Nach vorliegen aller Messdaten bestätigt sie ihre Prognose vom Dezember. Nach vorliegen, according to the existing of all measured data. Messdaten, measured data. Vorliegen means existing. Okay. As per existing of all measured data, they have confirmed their prognose, their prediction. They confirm the prediction of December 2020. 2020 war eines der drei wärmsten je aufgezeichneten Jahre. So they have also confirmed, as per their data, that 2020 was one of the third warmest, okay, one of the third hottest year, recorded year as per the report. It was one of the hottest, one of the warmest year in the climate history. This has been confirmed. Bestätigen means to confirm. So we have done this short news. I hope you have learned so many new words. You can note down, and in the playlist you will find more newspaper reading articles like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.